Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is log2. So why we need log2? Log2 function is mainly used to calculate the logarithm to, or you can say binary logarithm. So whenever there is a need to calculate the base 2 logarithm or a binary logarithm, in that case you can utilize this log2 function. Now what is the process to use this function? To use this function, first of all you need to import one module, which is math module, because this function resides in the math module itself. Once you imported that, after that what you are doing, you are using the log2 function. So here on line number 10 you can see we are passing the value as 8. So when you calculate the logarithm 2 value for the 8, it will print the output as the like whenever we are calculating, it will be stored into this result variable, and then we are printing this result variable. Clear? So the output would come as 3.0. Now if I scroll it uh, up to show you the output, I will run for this scenario. So just write python space session 68.py and hit enter. So once you hit enter, you can see the first output is coming as 3.0. Okay. Now look at the second scenario. So can we pass decimal value? Yes, we can pass decimal value to log2 function. So I'm passing 0.5. So when you calculate the logarithm 2 for 0.5, the output would come as minus 1.0. Clear? So it is printing minus 1.0. Now look at the third scenario. Here what we are doing, like for all scenarios we are almost using the same syntax. We are just changing the different arguments, and we are retrieving the output for the same. So here for value 1, the logarithm is coming as 0.0. Now the fourth scenario is commented. We'll see why it is commented. For now we are just moving to the fifth scenario. Here we are passing the value as 1024. So if you calculate the 1024 in terms of binary logarithm, the output would be 10.0. Again the sixth scenario is commented. For time being we will focus on the seventh scenario. Here what we are doing, we are passing the infinite value by converting it to float into this log2 function. So it will calculate the logarithm 2 for it, and the output is coming as infinite. Now we will discuss about the commented code. So in commented code, if I uncomment the line and if I run this program, so will it work? No, it will not work. Why? Because we are trying to pass the value which is -1, negative. And if you remember in our previous session, we discussed about the log function, log10 function. There also it is giving the same error, math domain error, because we are not supposed to pass negative number to this log function. And you can see line number 20 is resulting into error, which is math domain error. So that's why I commented this line, and this scenario is just for your explanation, like we are not able to pass the negative value to log function. Same goes here on sixth scenario. Here I'm trying to passing the negative infinite number, which will also result in an error. So if I run this again, you can see it is giving the error minus inf is giving error, math domain error on line number 39. Clear? So this is how we can utilize this log2 function in order to calculate the base 2 logarithm or binary logarithm. Okay, so I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.